Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. And today's video is about this pretty Christmas inspired makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I have another video that is still Christmas inspired makeup tutorial. This one is look 2. Let's just say the other one is look 1, this one is look 2, Christmas inspired makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching, and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. Christmas inspired makeup tutorial. Hi, this is the Zikel face oil free face primer. I'm using it to prime my face. It's nice, I love it. It's very smooth on the face and it's mattifying too. I'm using this Forever HD foundation in the shade 173 and 175. I'm mixing the two together because one is too dark for me and one is too light for me, so I'm mixing the two to get my shade. Putting it on my hand like so. I'm using this Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to highlight my face. Using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Foundation in Clay 2 to set my highlight. Luminous Powder Foundation. I'm using this Ben9 banana powder to bake. I'm using this Zikel Browfidence, Zikel Cosmetics Browfidence for my brows. I'm using the Elegant concealer. The concealer I use to highlight, to clean up my brows. And I'm still using it as my eyeshadow base too, for my eyes. I'm using this Zikel Cosmetics, the Little Mermaid's Color Splash Palette, Color Splash Palette for my eyes. So We are going to use, which color are we going to use first? Let's use Dream, the shade right here, Dream. Using Storm, this shade right here. We are using Storm for the lid. And the Zikel Cosmetics Smudge Proof Eyeliner. I'm using this Zikel Cosmetics mascara. I'm using this Zikel Cosmetics 5-in-1 lashes for my eyes. So I'm using this white liner for my waterline. I'm using this the same shade, this eyeshadow shade, Storm, that we use on the lid. This is the same Zikel Cosmetics mascara. I'm using this CoverGirl Ebony bronzer to bronze and contour my face. Using this Zikel Cosmetics Glow Kit. The shade Dripping in Gold, this one right here, and this one Golden Bronze. I'm mixing the two like so. Using this Zikel Cosmetics Fix Spray to spray my face. Set my makeup. Smells so good. Now I'm using this Zikel Cosmetics Lipstain, Kiss Proof Lipstain. This one is in the shade Naked, and this one is in the shade Don't Tell. I'm mixing the two together. Like so. This one is not bad all by itself though. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye. Love you.